Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about canceling your subscription with Fal AI. Here we are at Fal AI on the dashboard, and from here, if we want to look for information related to subscription, we have the billing section here. If we click on that, then you'll see that it is going to ask for your billing address. You do have a certain amount of credits that you are able to use. And from what I can tell, it doesn't appear that there is a specific subscription. Rather, what you would be doing is adding credits, and you can do so at $10, $20, or $50, or there's even a custom amount as well. If we do a little bit of exploring, let's just find out for sure if there is actually a subscription anywhere to be found. Let's do a little bit of digging here. And after a little bit of research, I was just looking here on the pricing page, and it seems to confirm that the way Fal.ai or Fal.ai works is based on the amount of credits that you purchase. So it's not a monthly subscription fee, rather you are paying for credits, and you can do that in various increments. So you have, again, $10, $20, $50, or there is even a custom amount. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.